Hello everyone, welcome back to Cypress series. So in previous video we have seen how can we set up a Cypress project, and in this video I am going to explain that how can we use these folders like actions, elements and E2E folder to create a reliable automation script. So to do that, first of all I am going to open your browser and open Orange HRM demo website. I will link this inside the description. So right now open this website and you will see a login page. Just right click on the page and select inspect option. So basically after selecting inspect, you will see that all of the HTML content of the page will be displayed in front of you. um, Select the elements tab if it is not already selected. uh, so here you can see all of the HTML is getting displayed. You can select this arrow option from the top left of the developer options and click on this username input field. So now you can see there are some HTML content which is getting highlighted, in which there is a attribute and value pair called as name is equal to username, and there is one more placeholder is equal to username. So I'm guessing this will be unique. So I'm not getting deep into how can we find a selector for a web element right now. In future videos I will let you know that how can you do that, but for now just select this particular attribute and value pair and press Ctrl F, and this search box will be displayed. Just give a square bracket and then paste that particular attribute and value pair inside that square bracket and press enter. You can see it is saying 1 out of 1. It means that this particular attribute and value pair is unique. So now what I can do, I can like copy it from here, and let's close this. And inside our automation setup, you can see there is no files over here. So right now what we can do, we can just right click over here, add a file, just say login login elements.js inside elements, and in actions also I am going to create login actions.js, and inside E2E also I am going to create one more file which is login.cy.js. So now all of the files are created for that login feature. So I have used camel casing, it is standard, you also must use that. Let's grab this on the right hand side, login elements, and then we have login actions over here on the left hand side. So uh, so now we can start coding, right? And now we have already copied this placeholder is equal to username, so we can say export class login elements, and then there is a square curly bracket, right? And then inside this curly bracket we are going to add our locators. So now just follow along with me, and don't care like you don't know what is happening. I will let you know in future that what exactly is happening right now. So just say cy dot get sorry. So first of all, name that particular web element which you are copying. So you can say user name input. So give a normal bracket and then a curly bracket, and inside here we can say return cy dot get. Okay, it is not letting us do cy dot something, so we need a piece of code which is I think I can remember. So basically there is a slash slash slash, and then here we can see reference types is equal to Cypress. Let's see if it works. So now let's try doing this cy dot get, and then inside here we are going to paste that particular thing which we have copied from Chrome developer options. So you can see return cy dot get, then the locator. So this is what we are going to do for all the remaining locators. Right now let's go for our password. So we have also placeholder is equal to password, just copy it and test it. So 1 out of 1, it means it is unique. We can grab it from here and say password input, and then return cy dot get, and then inside here we are going to paste that. Then there will be one more locator which we will need, which is this login button. So here we can see it have type is equal to submit. Let's test if it is unique. Yeah, it is unique. So just copy that from here and say login button, and then return cy dot get, and then paste that. So this is how you are going to put your locators inside the elements for elements file. Like this you can put as much elements as you want. Just save that, and inside login actions, so we have exported it from here. So right now we are going to import first, imp import, and then import login elements from. It will automatically detect what is the folder path. If it is not detecting, you can like put your path over here. So let's save it in const const sorry, elements is equal to new login elements, and then a bracket. Now we can use these elements which we have given inside our elements file. So first of all, let's create a class again, export class export class login actions, and then over here we are going to say login with valid credentials, right? And inside here we are going to use our elements. So say elements dot username input dot type, and inside here we are going to paste this username from the website, and similarly we are going to say elements dot password input dot type, and inside here we are going to give the password which is there on the website also. And lastly we are going to click on login button dot click. So this is how we provide actions. So now let's save this, and now go to login.cy.js, and inside here we are going to import that action login actions, and then again save it in a const actions is equal to login actions. Okay, new login action, sorry. And then we are going to say describe, and inside here we are going to give the name of that test suite. So basically it will be login into Orange HRM, and then give a anonymous function. And now again it will be a it block, inside which we will say uh, login with valid credentials. And inside here we are going to give an anonymous function again. And now we can say cy dot visit, and then over here we are going to paste the URL, and then we can say actions dot login with valid credentials. So now now we can save this, and inside terminal, let's delete this terminal. So inside terminal we can say npx Cypress open. So now it should run. So now you can see it have login.cy.js file. So click on that and it should go to Orange HRM demo website and log in into that. Basically you are saying it is inputting the username and password and login, so it works. So that's it for this video. In next video we are going to say how can we push this particular code on the GitHub, and we will also see how can we create a repository on GitHub. So basically next video will be on GitHub things. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.